A Baltimore attorney is arrested and charged with smuggling drugs into a state prison. Correction officials say Stephen Thurman Mitchell was arrested after he hid more than 100 strips of narcotic Suboxone in binders and took them to the Roxbury Correctional Institution in Hagerstown for a visit with a client. Suboxone is used to treat heroin addiction, but it can be misused to get high.